How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I am meeting the homies at the Audi dealership, and we just made it actually. We are gonna head to a big car show. It is the Fortune Auto car show. Apparently they said it was pretty big last year, so we all gonna go and cruise to the show. If you don't know Fortune Auto, they make some really good coilovers, so it should be an exciting cruise with the homies. All right, we got the homies, Chris, Ramon. Now this is not a wrap. This is an actual PPF that is a colored PPF, which is pretty cool. Even the carbon is, you know, a colored PPF. Yeah, this is probably one of the best looking Genesis out there. Pretty nice kit on it. Sitting really nice. 4 months ago, and he just put an exhaust on it. Thing is absolutely clean. And the interior looks really nice on it. We can't get into the Audi dealership, but there is two V10 R8s. I think those are 23 and 22 maybe, or both of them are 23, the last year made. But yeah, two Spiders chilling. Should be about a 20-minute drive, so it should be a fun cruise. Clean with the VS's. That's a clean R32. Fitment good, interior clean, and I also love the color. Maybe I should, you know, replace the 240 with an R32. This E92 is absolutely beautiful, and it's a manual. And look at that 300. And what engine is that? That's an Infiniti engine?
The engine swap on that.
Yeah, Infiniti V8. Hell yeah.
My boy's fan. Rock's going slice for that.
This is what I call builds. Really nice build. This one was at the night meet when we went.
Oh really?
Yeah, sounds pretty good.
That Panda King, that rear spec is crazy.
I know.
Nah.
And you got pre-built NSX. This one's done up nice. Oh my god. Look at this S14 clean. Got the confetti Recaros. This is a pretty clean car. All panels, factory, straight. I like it a lot. Go look at the JDM boys. There's some really nice builds out here. A lot of JDM cars, drift cars. This is a full drift car. It's fucking insane. Supercharged V8. This is 2000.
I said I would have.
I love those headlights. That's a pretty clean build. Red boy. That thing. That's pretty cool. Lifted. Okay, look at this fucking Supra. That's a beautiful Supra. Right hand drive. Ooh, got a dent. Need to be fixed. M4. I like the color on it. It's pretty nice. Got the ZL1. This is a pretty nice ZL1. I don't see that color very often. Again, another M4. A pretty nice Supra. Finally made it home. It's been a very long day, very hot and humid day, but it was a very good day. It was a lot of cars. You got a lot of JDM cars, There's a couple exotics. It was a lot of fun hanging out with everybody. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming up.